So I'm not gonna waste your time and give you a lot of boring information, so I'm gonna just quickly tell you about the place I've shot. So I'm not gonna give you advice on how to get there, what kind of bus to take or the subway. I mean, you guys can figure it yourself. Just go to Google or TripAdvisor, whatever website you have and you like. So I think you'll find much more information about this place rather than just me talking about it. But I just quickly want to point out that this place is free, so you don't need any tickets or anything. Just go there during the day, weekdays, holidays, weekends, whatever. Just make sure, I think they don't work at night. Just make sure like you get before they close its doors. So that's the tip number one about that. And also just a little bit about the place itself. So it's an artificial waterfall, it's not like real natural waterfall. So basically they just built it like 3 years ago. I think it was 2016, yeah, 2-3 years ago. And somehow it became like really popular and it became like a top attraction, one of the top attractions in Kunming. And apparently people that travel to our city or people that live here, locals or foreigners, like local slash foreigner, we kind of like this place. I think it kind of looks Instagram-ish. You go play with your kids, there's a playground for them, there's plenty of food or drinks, so like a lot of benches so you can have rest, take pictures, you can walk through the waterfall and have fun. Well, that's pretty much it. Thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you liked this video, and I'm gonna make a lot more videos like that. Much shorter than I usually did, but they're gonna be about like one specific particular place in Kunming, or maybe in China. It depends if I travel or not. But basically this is it. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in a next video.